Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Cape Town lo Chittoor Ammai. Today in this video, I am going to show you the Postberg Place which is situated in West Coast National Park. The West Coast is the gem of Cape Coastline, blessed with sleepy seaside villages, incredible vast stretches of beach, finbars and fields, and home to some incredible bird and animal life. The West Coast is pure magic. It is well suited to starry-eyed travelers, families, and tourists. It was established in 1985, and over time, the park has become an increasingly popular, family-friendly destination. The park is particularly well known for its bird life and for the spring flowers, which occur in the months from August to September, especially in the Postberg Flower Reserve section of the park. As it lies only an hour away from Cape Town, it makes for the ideal day trip or weekend getaway. It has two entrances, a turnoff along the R27 or an entrance through Langabans Park Street, so it is easily accessible too. The park is vast, with many kilometers stretching luxuriously between one attraction to the next. There are picnic and braai facilities too, and the beach itself is a wonderful place to rest a while as the wind is not quite as frenetic or active at this time of year. 27,500 hectare West Coast National Park is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean to the west and the R27 Coastal Road to the east. Famed for its bird life and spring flowers, particularly Postberg Flower Reserve, open only during the season. The reserve, together with its islands in Saldan Bay, has been identified as an important bird area. Once a year, the surprisingly spacious Postberg Nature Reserve opens to the public. From August to September, this generous goodwill act allows park visitors to enjoy a spring show. As during spring's unique Cape wildflower season, seas of blue, pink, yellow, and white field and fynbos flowers appear. The field and landscape transform into a splash of color thanks entirely to the variety of flowers that transform every available space. They even sprout up between a rock and a hot place. Growing up on Cape farms, I became familiar with almost every type of Cape flower. And in my time, I have seen some special spring blooms. Although the thousands of migrating birds are an important part of the conservation, the flowers are also a major attraction. The park is composed of various kinds of habitats, as well as the Langaban fynbos and lagoon, which account for the variety of flora and fauna all around the park. The months of August and September bring about the proliferation of annual spring flowers in the West Coast National Park. During the spring flower season, large fields of blooming white rind daisies, gooseblom, marguerite, Livingstone daisies, and wild sorrel can be seen along with other species of flowering plants. I hope I gave you nice information to you guys. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.